Welcome to Dawn of Cooking, and in this week's video I'm going to show you really quick how to curb those chocolate cravings and make a delicious chocolate smoothie bowl that you can have for breakfast or even a dessert. So come on with me in this video and let's make a delicious chocolate smoothie bowl. You're going to love it. I'm going to put in a half a cup of milk. I'm using almond milk, but you can use the milk that you prefer. And then a frozen banana. I like to slice it up so it's easy for the blender. And then 2 tablespoons of cacao powder. A tablespoon of almond butter, or you could use almonds, and then a scoop of chocolate protein powder, and then I'm going to add some ice. You want this to be nice and thick if you can. I like it thick. It's really good and chocolatey and thick. If you don't want it quite as chocolatey, of course you can use a little less of the cacao powder or even a less chocolate protein powder, but it's really good. I know you're gonna love it. Thanks for coming along with me in this week's video. If you already made it all the way to the end, make sure you comment "I love chocolate," and I'll put the recipe for this smoothie bowl in the description box of the video. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Happy cooking!